In this video I'm going to show you how to install a 3M fit test adapter on a half face respirator and a full face 3M respirator. So when you receive, this is the fit test adapter, the 3M fit test adapter. When you receive it, you probably won't have any tubing on here. If you buy the fit test kit, you'll have a long length of tubing that can be cut to whatever length you require. So the way I install this is this piece of tubing. I want to have it just poke through the valve on this mask, and I usually install it on this side because you can see as I push it on and then turn it. And I recommend too, if you're fit testing people, you install this on the mask, because I have gone to sites where people have let the person being tested put it on and mess around with it, and if it's only like a quarter turn, some people will turn it too far and strip it and then have issues because it's leaking, and it might ruin the adapter as well. So I like this when the person has it on, the machine, the tube to the machine will hook up to this port. And I'm wearing gloves here just so I don't have to clean the mask later on. And so I have the adapter in place. The tubing, that little piece is poking through, it's pretty hard to see it here, but it's poking through the little valve inside, so I'm getting a live sample. There's other videos out there that show a long length of tubing up inside the mask, but you can have kinks, and you know, it gets complicated. So I like using that small piece, and especially these days, that little piece of tubing is easy to clean or replace if someone wants to. So next, you put a P100 filter in place, and when you're doing fit testing, you want to use P100 filters. No other, like there's the rectangular version of these as well, but you don't want to use ones with organic vapor cartridges or anything special that either, you know, doesn't block the particles or filter the particles, or may have something inside that could, you know, the machine would pick it up like a dust or something like that. So now these are in place. I would hook up the tubing to this little port here. So the machine is pulling a sample through this adapter and inside the mask. So that's how you get your live sample. Now, if I show you on a full face, remove this off here, I've already taken some of the spare tubing and I've put it through this valve, and actually through the valve inside here on the nose cone, so it's sampling from the breathing zone. Same thing, I would put the P100 filter on this side. I would cut this tubing and I'd connect the tubing to this, and again put this and rotate it so that it would be facing down. I've seen pictures of these adapters installed so that when the person's wearing it, the adapter, or this the connection point for the tube is up, but then the tube to the machine is kind of up in the air and pulling the mask down or off. I like to make sure that it installs it down like this, basically. And once this is installed, I really do like actually that this adapter works for the half and full face 3M masks.